Holy Lagan here. Do you have a belief I can teach people what I don't have yet? This prevents me from taking massive action. It made me feel like an impostor, a fraud, a fake, and I end up doing nothing, self sabotaging, doing content, or self producing habits. Because when I think consciously, I may look like a fraud, a fake, an impostor to other people. So, my subconscious mind is acting against it. And we know that our subconscious mind controls 95% of the patterns about how we think, feel, believe, value, and behave. Because deep in our beliefs and value systems, we have these filters of our identity of who we are and what we don't like to be. And I value authenticity and honesty. So my subconscious mind sabotages and stops me from doing the things that are not aligned with it. That's why we need this mindset works to dig deep into our subconscious mind, allow ourselves to be aware of the patterns and change or recode those that are not aligned. Change the way we think, feel, believe, value, and behave around doing things in the business that are not serving us anymore. And the best and fastest way to walk the talk is to talk. And it is normal to start having this feeling of an impostor self. It is how we elders teach a child to walk. We always encourage them how good they are until they can walk by themselves, right? We don't tell them, oh dear, please stop walking. It hurts when you fall. Stop trying and crawl for the rest of your life. It's not about fake it till you make it. It is a natural pattern, like providing a walker, a guide, or holding the hands of a child. And we new coaches do pro bono coaching. But it doesn't mean that we need to be perfect first. Become the master first before going out there in the coaching field. And according to the NTL, National Training Laboratories Institute of Applied Behavioral Science Learning Pyramid, you learn faster and retain more information around 90% of what you teach than 10% of what you read. That's why when you teach, you learn more than the other party. Have you ever experienced every time you have a coaching session, you gain new nuggets of wisdom, insights, or realizations because you learned more from it? When we teach, because when we teach, there's a mirror of neurons. When we learn new things, our brain establishes this neural path. And the more we see and feel that our clients learn, the more we learn. It creates a feedback loop to that new neural path as if performed twice. And we know repetition is the mother of skill, right? And the new neural path is strengthened faster. How well established the neural path is, the easier it is for us to do it. If this resonates with you and you want to learn more, join our next free webinar this Tuesday, 18th of June at 7 p.m. Japan time. DM us or comment below. Bye for now. Take care and ciao.